All right, it's Gabriel here again with another credit tip for you today. Now, I want to talk about credit cards again, okay? Because some people say, Gabriel, how is it you have so many credit cards and why? Well, I want to tell you, because I'm in the credit industry, I wanted to do research, reconnaissance work on how some of the credit card issuers work when you apply, what kind of declinations they give you, what kind of requirements they have as far as credit scores, okay? So I was applying not because I wanted to have a lot of credit cards, but because I wanted to learn about the credit card issuers. But the credit tip that I want to talk to you about today is, one, when you get approved with one credit card issuer, let's say Bank of America. Bank of America may approve you and then you can find it. They may make it easier for you to get another card with them because they like you. Most credit card companies will let you go 3 cards deep, maybe 4 at the most. So one credit tip is continue to apply with the same credit card issuer, all right, 3 to 4 cards deep. Even if it's not for, let's say, a MasterCard or Visa, they might have a store card, okay? But if you get approved, that means they like your profile, your credit profile. So I recommend continue to apply with the same credit card issuers, 3 to 4 cards deep. Now, something else I want to talk to you about, one more tip that I want to give you is if you apply for a credit card, and let's say you get a low approval limit. Let's say you get approved for $500. If you have 3 cards or 2 more cards with that issuer, and let's say the other 2 cards have let's say a $7,000 credit limit, I recommend you shift some of your limit from some of the other cards to get an even balance of what your credit card limits across your entire portfolio of credit cards. So let's say you have 10 cards and each of them have a $7,000 limit and you get a new card with a $500 limit. I recommend you shift some of your limit from other cards. You have to do it with the same credit card issuers though. You can't shift an American Express limit to a Bank of America card. It has to be within the same credit card issuer, right? And if you do that, you'll see that your approvals when you apply for credit typically will be around the same amount, if not higher, because banks typically follow what other lenders are doing. So if you have a $7,000 average credit card limit on all of your cards, typically another bank will follow that. So that's your credit tip of the day. 1, go 3 cards deep with the issuers that you apply for when you get approved. 2, transfer balances across, okay, those cards to even out your limits, okay? That's your tip for the day.